Hi, welcome to my channel. So we are discussing our previous videos on trigonometry. So in an important chapter in your textbook is Introduction to Trigonometry. So in the previous two videos we have discussed about the 6 different trigonometric ratios, the values of different angles. Now today we will discuss one important concept, that is the complement of angles. Now, our syllabus is restricted to complements. So, maybe in further studies you will get supplements and others also. So, let's discuss one by one. So, complement means sum of two angles equal to 90 degree. So, since here we have 6 ratios, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. If you could remember, I would have told you while finding, I have created one table for finding the values of these 6 ratios with respect to some standard angles. So in that case, I have already told you that sine and cos are complement to each other, tan and cot they complement each other, and sec and cosec complement each other. So sine 90 minus theta. So 90, as you would say, complement. So 90 minus theta will give us the complement angle. So the complement angle to this will be cos theta. As sine and cos they complement to each other, so cos of 90 minus theta will be sine theta. Tan and cot complement to each other, so that means tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. Similarly, cot of 90 minus theta will be equal to tan theta, and sec of 90 minus theta will be equal to cosec theta, and cosec of 90 minus theta will be equal to sec theta. So this you have to remember while doing in our exercise 8.3. So some important questions I will discuss one by one. I will try to manage all the questions from this video so that you can do it yourself at home. Now, from your exercise 8.3, in question number 1, the question is evaluate. Maybe you get question like this: sine of 18 degree by cos of 72 degree. So if you could see clearly 18 and 72, if you sum these two, you will get 90 degree. Now, sine 18 can be written as, in terms of complement, 90 minus 72, because 18 plus 72 is 90, so 90 minus 72 is 18. And sine 90 minus theta, theta in this case is 72 degrees. So sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. From this, here sine 90 minus 72 will be equal to cos 72 by cos 72. So cos 72 by cos 72 will be equal to 1. So this is a very easy question. Now, I will take one more from exercise 8.3, question number 1. Number 3. The question is cos 48 minus sine 42. So if you clearly see, 48 plus 42 gives us 90. So cos 48 can be written as 90 minus 42, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So here you can write theta is this case is 42, sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree is equal to what? 0. So these are very easy questions. Again, I will do question number 4 for you. Question number 4 is given tan A equal to cot B. Tan A equal to cot B. Then you have to prove that A plus B equal to 90 degree. That means A and B are two complementary angles. Now for this, tan A can be written as, let us keep tan as it is on the left hand side. Let us do nothing on the left hand side. Let us try on the right hand side. So cot theta means tan 90 minus theta, as we have discussed earlier. So here you can write tan 90 minus B. Now here, in both the case, you have tan on both the sides. So you can cancel out tan, then you will get A is equal to 90 minus B. So bring B to the left hand side, you will have A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So one more easier question. Again, let us see question number 6. In question number 6, the question is ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. Then prove that sine of B plus C, you have to prove sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Now given ABC are three angles of a triangle. So as you know, sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So I will keep an eye on the left hand side of the question. This is because of angle sum property of triangle. Now let us bring the left hand side. Try to keep the left hand side. So here you have to keep B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Then B plus C by 2. So divide both sides by 2. B plus C by 2. And here on the right hand side you can write 180 by 2 is 90 and A by 2. Now on left hand side you have sine. So take sine on both the sides. Sine of B plus C by 2 equal to sine of 90 minus A by 2. So left hand side you have to do nothing, and on the right hand side you get something like this, sine of 90 minus theta, and sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. You can write cos of A by 2. Very easy question. So as you have got ample amount of time, so you can try different questions from your textbook and also from other reference books. And if you need any help or is there any confusion on my video, you can keep a comment on my video. So that's all for today. Thank you and keep practicing maths.